Hey cookie creators and lovers alike, I'm Gabby. The Canada Day long weekend is coming up fast, but if you don't have a fire pit, I've got your s'mores covered. Today on the Cool Cookie Show, we're baking s'more oatmeal cookies. For this recipe, we will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of rolled oats, 3/4 of a cup of quick oats, 1/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of tightly packed brown sugar, 1/4 of a cup of butter, 1/4 of a cup of shortening or Crisco, 1 egg, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. For our s'mores element, we've got a half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, a bunch of mini marshmallows, about 1 cup should do, 8 to 10 graham crackers, and 3 to 4 of your favorite s'more style chocolate bars, as well as 2 teaspoons of milk, which I'm just keeping in the fridge at the moment because it's extremely warm in the studio today. We'll start by creaming the butter and shortening together. Now we'll add our sugars. Shortly followed by the egg. While things mix, I'll add my baking soda and cinnamon into my all-purpose flour and whisk it together. We'll pulsate the mixer so it doesn't spill. Now for our oats, and we'll drizzle the milk on top. Once it's combined, we'll add the Smore Fixins. Take half of your graham crackers and smash them up using a knife or by placing them in a bag. Once in small pieces, add them to the cookie dough. Don't forget your chocolate chips. Then do the same for half of your chocolate bars. I have a 2-inch scoop here, but I should probably have a 3. I'll manually add some dough. Now take the rest of your graham crackers and chocolate bars, break them up, and stick them throughout the cookies. At this point, we'll pop them into the oven at 375 for 5 minutes. At that point, open the oven and quickly pop 3 to 6 mini marshmallows on each cookie before continuing to bake for another 5 to 6 minutes. You know it's done when the exterior of the cookie is firm to the touch, but the cookie itself is still very soft. If your marshmallows still need some more color, turn on your broiler for about 60 to 90 seconds, then convert your oven back to baking for your next batch. Take the cookies out of the oven and allow them to cool on the baking sheet for 10 to 15 minutes before transferring them to a cooling rack. These cookies are sure to be a Canada Day hit whether you're at the cottage or in the condo. Are you making any special treats to celebrate this Canada Day? Let me know in the comments below. Happy Canada Day, everyone! If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe as well as the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. In the meantime, here are some other videos you may enjoy. Thanks so much for watching The Cool Cookie Show. Till next time, stay sweet.